New integrated amplifier with streaming features from Roksan, from the UK. Roksan belongs to Monitor Audio Group. This is the streaming amplifier, integrated one, brand new product, just arrived here. The official name is streaming amplifier. The color is black, the finish, and we do the unboxing and we're gonna check the product as usually we do here. So it's a 80 watts per channel. It has a Blue OS platform, phono stage built in for cartridges. So here we discover the remote control, which is this one. It's a remote control of Attessa. Attessa is the lineup of this amplifier. This lineup, this series has a turntable as well, an amplifier without the streaming feature as this, and other products as well. So quick start guide, manual, a USB cable, female one and male, power cable, Suco type, batteries for the remote control, of course included, from GP. GP is a company from China that has the KEF speakers as well. This company manufactures the KEF speakers. And then we have another cable for the UK market. Here we have as well, probably it's Wi-Fi, I will check it if it is Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, but this is included as an accessory inside. Continue. So we have to turn it upside down. So the amplifier comes covered with this cloth. We'll remove the cloth. It's around 10.5 kilos. It's not a light one product. So here we are. You see the beauty of the amplifier. So let's examine the front face. Buttons here, play, stop, next. So we see the volume control here. It's very nice, brass, aluminum, beautiful design with curves. And then at this edge we see the headphone input mini jack. So as we said, it's 10.5 kilos. It has AirPlay 2, MQA, Blue OS. And on the back we can see the inputs and the outputs. One set for the speakers, terminals. Then we have analog inputs, two analog, one for the turntable, pre-out or sub-out, you can use it, double it. Then we have the digital inputs, has a DAC built in, that means, two optical, two coaxial, trigger for integration, USB here, LAN, service only, and there we have the mains input. The antenna is built in for the Bluetooth, that's a good thing, and it's based on Qualcomm aptX. So underneath you can see 4 elastic pads, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the stand, the base for the transformer, which is 400 volt ampere, and here we see the heat sink. So this is the underneath device. Let's have a look now inside. This is the huge, massive transformer. Everything comes from here. It depends from here for Nortel company. It's huge one, 400 volt ampere, as we said. Here we have the Blue OS card. This board here is for the Wi-Fi, for the multi-room connectivity, for streaming, for AirPlay 2, for all the tricks that Blue OS offers. Then we have the inputs here with the phono stage built in. Here is the phono stage. The underneath board is the main amplifier and the pre-amplifier. We see 4 capacitors there of 6800 microfarad. Epcos, the company. Fuse, of course. Heatsink here. It's class Ab Amplification. And then we have the transistors here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 from the other side. So underneath this board we have the DAC here, different power supply for the digital board here, as you can see, and different power supply for the power stage. And the volume control. This is the on-off button here. We press it, wait a bit, and then the product is ready. Here we can see a small screen underneath this protection, presenting all the inputs. Here we can probably change the, this is for the blue S. And the volume control is presented with these LEDs, you know, up and down. So we have to use the remote control in order to change inputs. As you can see here, D1, D3, D4, Bluetooth, Blue OS, analog inputs, volume control. So the remote control is essential for this product. We cannot switch inputs without the remote control. We download the app Blue OS and we've been connected to Wi-Fi by using this module there that works as an antenna, as an adapter as well. Dongle connecting to Wi-Fi. So here is the app, the Blue OS we installed. We did a firmware update. You see all the inputs here. So if we don't like to use our remote control, we can use the app with settings, tune in, stream services. There is a lot of stuff here. It's a Blue OS application, music services. We have all these music services. I don't know which one is available in your country, but you can, you know, you can select from there. We see how it looks like in the studio, the amplifier with the icons. So as we can see here, we connected with another app, Attessa, aptX is the Bluetooth. Then the app is Maestro Unite. It's for Bluetooth only. And then we have the streaming, the name of the device, serial number, firmware version. Now we're using it's up to date, current version. Then we have trigger settings, standby plus, auto standby. If you like, you can switch it off. One for the streaming, the Blue OS, and the other the Unite. One is the Blue OS and the other is the Maestro Unite app. So this is a complete product. It's an all-in-one system in other ways, in other words, because it's streaming, is a DAC, is an amp, preamp, has a sub-out and pre-out, 80 watts, M2A compatible, AirPlay 2, high-res streaming because of the Blue OS. It's made in UK. It's a nice product, and thank you for watching.